Hello, my name is Cristina Luncă. I'm 27 years old and I graduated Faculty of Philosophy and Journalism. Now I'm following an MA at National School of Political and Administrative Studies, International Relations and European Integration Program. I made that choice because now I'm working in an NGO, the Center for Education and Social Development, and here I saw what problems my ethnic faced, and I know that in the future I will help them writing projects for to raise European funds for children. I will rely in a specific way on education because if we want to have an educated society, we must help our children to attend school despite the fact that their parents cannot afford to send them to school. And in my opinion, the most important issue is early marriage for Roma girls. Marrying since primary school, they lose any chance to make a career. Not being sexually educated, they have the children appear since puberty, in adolescence, think that is not right, well and healthy, being themselves children.